Greetings everybody, Master Palkumar Part. Welcome to LeetCode problem solving series. Today we are going to solve the question 31. Greetings everybody, Master Palkumar Part. Welcome to LeetCode problem solving series. Today we are going to solve the question 1480 running sum of 1D array. We'll start by understanding our problem properly and then move to the most optimized solution directly because of the question being much easier and simpler today. So let's just start by understanding what our problem is trying to say. So we are given an input array called nums, which contains a number of elements in it. And at the end of the code, we need to return another vector or another array, which will be also containing the exact same size or length of the given input array. Now, the question is how we need to fill that array. So for that, the condition is given to us that for every index, or we can say each and every index of the returned array, according to that respective index, we need to place the running sum till that index inside the returned array. Let me give an example to make you understand properly what I'm trying to say. So let's just take our first test case, which contains the first element of the nums as 1. So till now we don't have any elements, like it is the first element itself. So the running sum will be 0 plus 1, 1. So as you can see, our first element is 1. Now for the second element, we have a total number of 2 elements till now from the start. So 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3. So 3 is placed in the we can say first index or the second element of the return array. Similarly, in the third element we have 3. So till now the sum or the running sum of every element till the current index will be 3 plus 2 plus 1, which will be equal to 6. So 6 is placed as at the respective index or of the current index in the return array. And similarly, till the last element, the running sum from the start will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which will be equal to 10. So 10 is placed as at the last element of the returned array. This way, at the end, we need to return the array which will be having respective index, like running sum of every element according to its respective index at every index of the returned array. Okay, this way we need to return the complete array. So this is our complete problem. Let's just move to the most optimized solution to solve this problem. So first of all, obviously we will need a vector which we will be returning at the end of the code. And let's just name it as answer. Now, as I mentioned, we will also be needing an integer which will be named as sum, in which we will be accumulating the sum which we need to calculate according to the current index value. So for that we'll be using the sum variable. Now we will start by iterating in our given input vector nums.size, and we will be doing plus plus for iterating forward. Now during that iteration, what we'll be doing is that first of all we need to calculate the current sum, like the sum till current element, for which we will be simply doing sum plus equal to the current element. This will help us to add the current element in the complete accumulated sum till, because we are iterating from the start to forward direction. So what we'll be having is that, let's say we are at 3 during our iteration of this for loop. So what will happen is that when we will reach 3, we will have sum equal to 2 plus 1, because we are accumulating every value in the sum named we can say global variable, which can help us to just keep the track of the complete sum till now. So at 3, when we will reach 3, we will have sum equal to 3, because 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now what will happen is that sum will be equal to current sum plus 3. So 3 plus 3 will be equal to 6. Now we will simply push 6 inside our answer. Okay, this way according to the current index, we can push the sum till now inside that respective index, because we are running the for loop, and as I mentioned, the length of returned and given input array is exactly the same. So we are pointing to the respective index of current index itself. Okay, this way the complete problem will be perfectly solved. Okay, here we will be pushing the sum. Okay, I hope you understood what I'm trying to say and how the problem is being solved. So at the end of the loop, we will obviously have the complete answer vector, which will be containing the exact values that we would need according to our given condition. So let's just test this code if that works for our main test cases or not by running the code. So yeah, it perfectly works for our main test cases. Let's just submit the code to check it for the internal edge cases if that works or not. So it perfectly works for them too. So this is the complete optimized solution for solving a problem. As you can see, it gives 100% and its order of, or we can say the time complexity for this code is order of n because we are using a single for loop. So this is a complete, we can say, approach to solve this complete problem. If you like the way I explain and mention the complete solution for the LeetCode problems, you can like the video. Also for checking other questions, you can check my already present LeetCode problem solving series, the playlist, in which I will be also adding another future questions too. I am also trying to get to the posting every daily question of LeetCode. I will try my best to keep a complete streak. For following that, you can subscribe to the channel. For other tech and coding related content you can subscribe to the channel. If you want to connect with me personally, you can use my social connections link present in the description of the video. Also for the ones who need to test this code, you can check that from the description of the video. The repo link is present there. Thank you very much for staying till the end. Thank you very much.